Hey, welcome to Paige Family Homestead. I'm Andy, that's Peggy behind the camera. Today we are making sweet Marie bars and
peanut butter cups.
Another invention of ours, which is going to be awesome. You wait and see.
Well, we don't know yet because we haven't tried it.
We haven't tried it now, but I know it's going to be good.
Okay.
So I'll probably serve it at Andy's restaurant. Okay, so first of all, I got
1 cup.
1 cup of peanut butter. Ooh,
crunchy or
messy.
smoothie? Smoothie works best.
Smooth.
Now we would make this all the time for the kids at Christmas. The Sweet Marie bars they're called. But we thought we got some leftover cream cheese filling and those little.
Yes, from my award-winning cookie.
And his little molds over there. So we're gonna make some Sweet Marie peanut butter cups with cream cheese too.
So I'm gonna melt it on, put this on medium-low heat. Now I've got this. This is corn syrup, right? Yeah. See how I knew that? Whoa,
and that is
thick.
the end of the corn syrup in the house. When that's gone, not till next year again, baby.
Yep. I don't know how they ever did that. They must have tapped a corn tree to get the corn syrup. Okay. And then we are going to put in the brown sugar.
1 cup.
1 cup of brown sugar.
We use dark. You can use light if you want.
Okay, now I'm just going to stir all this together. I'd use a whisk, but I'm just too manly for it. Instead I use, yes, you got it, the man tool.
Gonna have to get you your own set.
Well, this is a little too high there.
Bring them back when this is all blended. We don't want this to boil. You just want to heat it and stir it together.
Melts it all together, yep. Look at that, it's already coming together.
Yeah, it doesn't take long.
Nope. Okay, turn the heat off. And now we're going to add in 1/4 cup of butter. There we go. And
2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons vanilla.
Get that butter melted.
Yep.
Now the recipe calls for 5 to 7 cups or more. Yes, that kind of recipe. 5 to 7 cups or more of, everybody knows it, Snap, Crackle, Pop, Rice Krispies. So to do that, we're going to put it in a big pot.
Yes, we
it'll
are.
be easier for him, notice I said him, to stir that. And if we got 6 cups in there. So we'll see.
When the butter's melted, I will.
Ooh, it's not melted.
No, not quite melted yet.
Doesn't it smell good? I
does.
love vanilla and peanut butter.
Yeah.
So good. This is kind of going to have layers, guys. It's not just the Rice Krispies with peanut butter. Okay?
Okay. Now I'm gonna, it's a little warm, the handle is. Get the pot gloves.
Yeah, right here. The glove.
Yeah. Oh, glove. I can't do that because I'm not left-handed.
But you put it on that hand.
Yeah, I know. Okay.
Ooh. The pot liquor's over there too. It'll work easy to get it all out. You don't want to miss a single inch of
No,
that
I know.
sauce.
You want to take that from me for a minute?
Yeah.
What'd you say pot liquor is?
Oh, I had it here. Well, look at that. Here you go. You used it for the butter.
Yep. I did it. Pot liquor. I like that name. Yo, pot liquor.
I know everybody calls it a spatula, and to me it's like, seriously?
Not a spatula.
No, it's a pot liquor. When the children are absent, it licks the pot. When the Andy is absent, it licks the pot.
I had a feeling that was coming up. There. Move it. Okay. Now just, I don't want to use both these. Just use the one that doesn't stick. Okay, now we're going to mix this all together.
It'll take some work. If it feels too loose, you just add a little bit more until it feels like it'll stiffen up. Everybody loves these. How's it going?
Good. How's it going?
Do you think you're gonna need more?
No, not yet. I still haven't got it all mixed in.
Happens fast. Not as quick as Rice Krispies though. It's a little more forgiving because of the marshmallow, right?
Oh, right, yeah.
Maybe a bit more.
A little bit more, yeah. Okay, there you go. A minute, I got it. Oop. Okay,
Yeah, that should do it.
that should do it there. Okay.
Should. Better to have too little than too much.
Yep. Well,
Perfect amount, you think?
yeah, I think so.
Awesome. Now we got a pan set up with parchment paper. That's where the most of this is going to go. I'm just going to go grab that for him.
Probably have to.
Just lined it with parchment paper just so that we can lift these out easier. This is perfect for patting it down. Eh?
Yeah.
That might be good. Try that first.
Okay.
Want to leave room for the layers. Might even get 2 pans out of it, which is even better.
Yeah.
Got grandkids coming. That way we'll have some still for the cookie trays. And I'll get another pan.
1 tablespoon of these into this tray here.
Silicone thingies.
Silicone thing.
Yeah, thingies.
My thingy. Another tray here.
These will pop out real good. We're going to set these in the fridge
Yep.
to cool when we're done. So we're just going to fill these up and we'll bring you back for the next step.
Okay, I'm putting 1 teaspoon of what we put on that other cook. What's that called again?
The
Icing?
cream cheese,
Cream
with,
cheese.
with confection sugar.
Yeah.
And I'll type the recipe right here for you.
So I'm putting 1 teaspoon in. Each one in this.
Now normally we would just put melted chocolate on top of these, but we have this, so I'm not going to waste it.
Well, you can't throw. I wouldn't throw that out.
No.
And it would hurt me if I ate it.
What do you mean?
It would be too much to eat.
Then don't.
That's why I'm using it on this.
This ring hand is in the way of people seeing what you're doing.
Well, they better pay attention.
You know what? The hot chocolate is going to melt that down.
Oh, yeah.
We're going to finish this. We're going to melt some chocolate and finish it up. We have a smaller pan here. Spatula was used, just like with Rice Krispies, guys. Squish it down nice and tight. And then we got our square pan here and another 12 of the peanut butter cream cheese buttercups coming up. And we have some garnish coming in. So give us a minute. Let's get some of that chocolate in the pan to melt for you. And then we'll get Andy decorating with chocolate.
Oh, just one. I can do that. Okay, I've got 4 tablespoons of butter on very low heat. And we're going to melt this down. And then we're going to add the chocolate to it, chocolate chips to it.
Very low heat. I don't have my double boiler available. And no, we don't have a microwave. Why?
We don't believe in microwaves. Did your grandparents have microwaves?
That's not why.
No.
It's just a...
Yeah, it's just I don't like that radiation in the air.
No.
Or whatever it is, radio waves or microwaves.
I don't like the way it cooks the food, to be
No.
honest. I don't like the texture.
No.
It's good for heating, but why have it for that? Okay, we're gonna melt this. When it's done, we'll bring you back for the chocolate.
Oh boy, the chocolate. Okay, now I'm putting in the chocolate chips.
1 full pack.
1 full pack.
You see it?
Oh, yeah, there's a loose one in there. He's not getting away from me, I tell
None
you.
will survive. See how it's in English and French? Here we go.
Okay, we're just going to melt these up. And it should take about 5 minutes, 4 to 5 minutes.
And I'll bring you back.
Okay, I've added a couple tablespoons of milk to thin it out really well. And it's coming along pretty good.
A few more minutes and you'll be ready.
Would you like to lick the spoon?
No. There you go. Chocolates on. Almond slivers going on top. And then these go in the freezer till they're set. And then we can take them out, cut the bars, put them in their little paper cups, and pop these out of their molds.
And I'll taste them.
You think?
Yeah.
You think you need to?
Yes. Okay.
Nice. Gonna have plenty for the trays and plenty for the grandkids.
Okay.
They taste so good. They're one of the first to go. All right. We'll bring you back when these are out of the fridge or freezer. What do you want to put them in, the fridge or freezer?
Fridge.
Roger that.
Look at that.
Let me see. Oh, you can see the cream cheese filling.
Yep.
Yeah.
And here's this one. Without the cream cheese filling.
Yep, we got both.
Yep.
Cool. Gonna try that one.
What does it taste like?
I wonder.
Oh my god.
Are they good?
Mm-hmm.
They're not overly sweet for being such a sweet.
Very good.
They'll be nice on the tray. That's going out. Oh yeah, oh yeah. So we got these left to cut up section, put into the little cups and remove and prepare for the trays. But these ones are going to be going in the freezer, right? Yeah.
This one here is going in my mouth. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And don't forget that notification bell. Ding, 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 ding.
Can you say subscribe with a mouthful again?
Yeah. Well, it's my job.